In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to move your Algorand from your exchange to your Ledger Cold wallet and then back to the exchange. Here's what the steps look like. We're going to skip the buying selling part since I'm assuming you already know how that works. But if you don't, no worries, you can check out the buy and sell video at any time. The main focus here are the transfers. In this example, I'll be using a Ledger Nano S Plus, but the steps are pretty much the same for the Nano S, Nano X, and other Ledger Cold wallets. I'll be using Kraken as the exchange since it's one of the most popular centralized exchanges in North America. Now that said, the exchange you use doesn't really matter. The process is basically the same for all of them. What does matter is making sure that you have the correct wallet address and correct network, because sending crypto to the wrong address could mean losing it forever. So the example we have here is the Radium token that's running on the Solana network in Kraken. And we want to transfer it to the Ledger Live, so we have to ensure that we're using the same network. There are 3 security requirements that you must follow before doing the transfers. Number 1, make sure your operating system is up to date. And if you can't update it because your hardware is too old, maybe it's time to upgrade the hardware. Number 2, update all software. In this case, specifically, we're going to be using Chrome to connect to the exchange, the Ledger Live software to connect to your Ledger. And if you have an antivirus, make sure your virus definitions are up to date. And last but not least, ensure that your Ledger firmware is also running at the latest version. Let's start. First thing you want to do is open up both Kraken and Ledger Live. As you can see, I have them both open here. So I'm going to go to Kraken, click withdraw. We want to withdraw ALGO. I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to select the full amount. I'm just going to change this address because things have changed. So I'm going to click on add new address. And I'm going to look for the ALGO app. Install it so I can get the wallet address. And it looks like it's running on the Algorand network, which is a good thing. We're just going to confirm that they're both running on the same network. Okay, so I have to open the app. Yeah, it looks good. So it has its own dedicated app, which means that it's running on its own native chain or network. So now I want to receive, continue. I'm going to copy the address from Ledger Live, paste it here. Doesn't look like there's a memo, so I'll skip that. And for the address nickname, we'll call it Ledger Algorand. Just add a little dash here. Add withdrawal address. I have to confirm it by email. Confirm. It was approved. Okay, so we can send. I'm just gonna review it. So it's ALGO. This is the amount. The fee makes sense. It's running on the Algorand network. This is the address. The address looks good. Confirm. And that's it. It was sent. We're gonna confirm in a few seconds now if it was successfully received or not. Okay, so it looks like we received it successfully here, the Algorand. And now we're going to send it back to the exchange. So I'm going to click on send. I need the wallet address, the recipient address. So I'll go here on Kraken. I'll click deposit, ALGO. Click on ALGO. I'm going to copy this address, paste it here. Click continue. I'm going to select send max, continue. And I'll just confirm everything. The address looks good. Can't see this part, but the beginning is the same. I'll confirm it on the ledger. So I have to press both buttons to open the app. Now I can view the transaction. I'm pressing right. The sender is this. The receiver is HXI. Yeah, it's the right one. The amount is good. Approve. That's it. Successfully sent.